everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to recycle old Christmas cards. Christmas cards can be loads of fun to both give and receive, but as they start piling up around Christmas time, why not get a little bit crafty and breathe some new life into them by doing something festive and fun. Without further ado, here are 3 easy ways to recycle Christmas cards. Idea number 1 is to make a festive puzzle. This can be fun for kids to do by themselves or with a friend. If you do it with a friend, you can both make a puzzle and then swap and have a go at the one that your friend made. To make them, cut off the image of your Christmas card from the back part with the message. This will be the picture on your puzzle. Now you pretty much just cut it into pieces. You can use straight lines, jagged lines, curvy lines, whatever you like. When you're done, try it and put it back together again. Idea number 2 is to turn them into bookmarks. To make a bookmark, just get a ruler and place it over your favorite part of an image. Then draw a straight line down either side. If you like, you can cut it down to the size that you want and even round off the corners. Finish it off by punching a hole in the top and tying a piece of thread to it. If you'd like to make a gift tag instead, all you'll need to do is cut it a little bit smaller and then you can write your message on the back. Idea number 3 is to make bunting. To make bunting, just cut your Christmas cards into the appropriate shape. You can use a template from the Twinkl website to help with this if you want, or you can just eyeball it. Leave a little bit of space at the top of each card so that you can fold this over a piece of string and then tape it into place. This will help make sure that each card is nice and secure. Bunting is a quick and easy way to make decorations for your home or classroom. If you'd like a more detailed set of instructions, there are some on the Twinkl website and I'll just leave a link to that in the description below. That's everything I've got, but how about you? Do you have any favorite ways of recycling old Christmas cards? If you do, please let us know in the comments below because we'd love to hear them. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Twinkl Australia so you can see more content like this. We're also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, so make sure you follow us on all our social media channels if you don't want to miss out on anything. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas!